Suppose if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, if you want to check the clipboard history, then the method is you must go to your keyboard, and there you can see this is the Windows logo key in your keyboard, and this is the V key. So if you must press these two keys, one of your fingers should be in this Windows logo key and another is in this V key. So if you press these two keys, the Windows logo key and V key, you must press these two keys at the same time. Then you can see here the page of clipboard history comes here, and if it is off, then you can see a message like this: can show history, see all your clipboard items in one place, turn on clipboard history now. So you must simply click this turn on, must click here for turning this on. And suppose if your clipboard history is empty, then you have to show that your clipboard is empty now. So this is the shortcut Windows logo key and V key. You must press this Windows logo key and V key, these two keys at the same time for turn on this clipboard start. Hope this video is it. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.